You use this every day, in tea, bread, and snacks. But have you ever wondered how sugar is made? The journey starts here.
Sugar begins its journey on farms. It is made mainly from sugarcane and sugar beet, grown in warm regions around the world.
Time is critical. The clock is ticking. Once cut, the harvest begins to die. After harvesting, the plants are quickly transported to a sugar factory for processing. Races toward the factory.
At the factory, the sugarcane is crushed to extract its juice. This juice contains sugar, water, and natural impurities.
The juice is cleaned and heated. As water evaporates, the liquid becomes thicker and sweeter.
Next, the thick syrup is cooled. Sugar crystals begin to form and are separated from the remaining liquid.
The crystals are dried, refined, and cleaned until they become the sugar we recognize. The crystals are dried, refined, and cleaned until they become the sugar we recognize. The crystals are dried, refined, and cleaned until they become the sugar we recognize.
Finally, the sugar is packaged and shipped to stores around the world. From farm to factory to your kitchen, that is how sugar is made.